Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. I miss you guys. If you're new if you're new here, you're welcome to the family. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And how have you guys been? How is everything? And yeah, I am laughing because I am so happy to be back. And yeah, I just pray I continue being consistent because I've been so busy lately. So I'm going to be explaining to you guys in this video. I will not be talking much about the video, but I'm going to be explaining to you guys about why I was missing in action, like why I was not available for over how many months on YouTube. I think it's only 2 months, but I've been dropping turban tutorials here and there. I get a time, like whenever I get to tie a client's turban, or I do a model like that in my studio. I do a makeup, I'll just tie the hair tie and then post. The makeup I did last on this page was not really, let me say, YouTube content thing. So I've been trying to find my place these days. I've been trying to work on my lighting. I don't know, my studio is giving me one kind of vibe that I don't like. The lighting is not making sense. I don't know how to set up my lighting up till date. And yeah guys, that is just it. I have so many issues with my lighting. I have been so busy with my clients. And also guys, the biggest thing I wanted to tell you guys about is, drum roll please, I got to launch the first Arewa Beauty Festival here in Kaduna. Yay! It started just like a joke, and that was the main reason why I have been missing in action. We did the event I organized. I was the organizer, like we were the organizer, let me put it like that, because I had help. Hey, I got to organize the Arewa Beauty Festival thingy, like the event itself. I was so happy. I never expected the turnouts. My people from YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and also I got so many surprises. Like I got so many surprised visits from people all the way from Zamfara, Kano, Katsina, KB. God, guys, you guys are just the real MVPs. I love you guys so much. And so yeah, we got to organize the Arewa Beauty Festival. So let me tell you what the Arewa Beauty Festival is. So first of all, I was thinking I was like, okay, let me organize something here in Kaduna that is going to be very, very valuable to most especially the makeup artists, like the teenagers. You know, it's this the ASU strike thing that is happening here in Nigeria. Like the students, university students are on strike and they are all at home, and I was like, let me just organize something and see how these things turn out to be. So there's this fair I attended during Salah. When I got there, I saw how people were very excited. People wanted to have fun and all of that. So I was like, okay, let me organize one. So I organized this based on the beauty thing. And yeah, we had to bring fashion, like we had to bring designers, people that design dresses, makeup vendors, people that sell makeup products. We brought in food vendors, drinks, mocktails, all these fast food vendors. We brought in perfumery, like jewelries and all of that. So they were all under one umbrella. And yeah, it was so stressful to put all of that together, and I was not having time to shoot a YouTube video so that I could start editing and then later on start posting and all of that. I was super busy, and yes, I was exhausted emotionally. Put up a content or even think about a content. Sometimes I'll even have a client like this and I can't even post because one, I have so many issues with my lighting. My lighting is giving me serious headache. My lighting is not making sense. Like, I have tried so many things. That is what I feel like, but I don't know how other people see my lighting on Instagram or on YouTube or all of that. Even like now, this video that I'm shooting, it was when I'm editing. Like, whenever I'm editing, like now, I just saw the lighting is not even making sense. I don't know what to do. So guys, as you can see, I have been, that's what is missing. And secondly, I have been feeling a little bit unmotivated. Like the inspiration in me is just running away. What is happening? But I pray and wish it's all for the best. Alhamdulillah. And yeah, so as you can see that I've been using on this makeup video. Let's move on to the video. Let me say a little bit about this video. So this is Zulaihat, my new model. She's not a model, actually, she's my client. She called me for a birthday shoot, so I was like, since I don't even have a model, because I've not been really ready with this YouTube thing and all of that, I decided, okay, let me use her face and do the modeling thing, since she's my client and all of that. And I asked for her permission, can I post her on YouTube? And she was like, yes, you can, definitely. I'll be so glad to be on your YouTube channel. So this is it, guys. That is how we got to start Zulaihat's birthday makeup. So as you can see, Zulaihat has a very dry skin. I cleaned her face first, and there's this snail thing I used at the beginning of the video. That snail cream is very, very good. Like, it has this slimy feeling and all of that. It rejuvenates the skin and also locks in hydration. I love the fact that she has a very dry skin, but her face is just all well moisturized. Even as I'm applying this makeup, if you notice something, I'm not used to the face getting this very moisturized like this, like very hydrated. So I don't know, even when I'm blending the foundation, I guess you guys can see it's not really blending very well because of the way the skin is super moisturized. So the face is very hydrated. I just waited a little bit before, after applying the foundation, I waited for the foundation to settle in a little bit. Then I went in with the powder, with the foundation, the concealer, set everything together, and then decided to use powder to set it in. So as you can see, we just contoured the face, and I'm just using this Shy Girl blush. I'll be applying that. And yes, guys, after the blush, I used the Merak Cosmetics setting powder. Yes, this is it. So I'm going to be setting. I'm just launching this. I got this from the Arewa Beauty Festival as well. I got the snail face cream from the Arewa Beauty Festival as well. I also got my blush from there, the Blossom brush. So guys, this is it. I'm going to be setting under her eyes, then I will move on. This setting powder is just too good. I was underestimating the powder. I was like, it's just the normal setting powder that every Nigerian comes up with and all of that, not knowing this powder it was definitely the best. Like, I was so happy I got this powder. And then yeah, so after setting her face, I'll just go in to the brows. So I also got the brow pencil from the Arewa Beauty Festival. I got it from UJ UJ Cosmetics. Yes, that is her name. So you can check her out on Instagram. I have she'll be under the Arewa, so you guys can go follow the Arewa Beauty Festival page. It's up on Instagram, is Arewa_beauty_festival. It's like one of the festivals we've organized here in the north, so we are looking forward to continuing that maybe by next year and all of that. So guys, as you can hear my voice, even from the way I'm talking, you guys will know I am out of inspirations. Like, I am out of content. Not out of content, I won't use that word, astaghfirullah. So you guys will know that even from the way my voice is sounding, I am still down, I am still feeling unmotivated, but I'm still thinking and praying all over it. I want everything to be over soon. And yeah, so after drawing the brows, outlining the brows, I'll go in with the MAC Cosmetics concealer. I'll be using that middle shade to highlight her brow bone. I hope you guys are getting me. So I will be highlighting her brow bone. After highlighting her brow bone, I'll be using the darker shade to do the outer part and the inner part of her brows, just to get into the spaces and also to make sure the brows blend very well with her foundation. And then yeah, so guys, after I'm done with the eyebrows, I'm going to be going into this Morphe eyeshadow palette. So I got this from Instagram, an Instagram vendor also, Chris Beauty. She sells original products, and this is the original Morphe palette. I'm going to be blending this in. I'll be contouring the eyes and then going in, making it look like an halo eyeshadow. I want the eyes to pop very well. Since it's a birthday makeup look, we want the eyes to pop, and then I'm going to be blending out, smoking it out, highlighting with a very bright golden color, and then I'll just go in with the pigment. And that's it guys for the eyes. You can see I'm just blending and blending and blending. Blending is key guys, that's just the key. Guys, I'll just keep dabbing and dabbing. I'm applying the pigment. Of course, I'll be using the pigment from Luster Cosmetics eye makeup, like Luster Cosmetics. The eye pigment is very beautiful and very good also. We're going to be applying that, waiting for it to settle a little bit. Then I'll go in with the mascara, the 18X mascara. Everybody knows this mascara is a very popular mascara. So I'll be applying that on her lashes. Then we'll move on to the other eyes. So that you guys don't get bored. So this is it. I lashed, lined and smudged the eyes. I'm really loving this. Okay, so after that I did the other eyes, and then we moved on to do the lips. So I'm using a brown shade to just line out her lip, and then I used a new shade to cover everything up. After that, when we were doing the lips, I was actually laughing. That is why you saw me falling on her body like that. So after I'm done with the lips, we'll be applying highlighter, taking off the powder with the House of Tara setting powder. Then I'll be applying highlighter. After applying highlighter, we now covered everything up with the Merced Fix setting spray, which is okay and very beautiful. So guys, this is it. Yes, so as you can see, just cleaned everything out, and boom, the face is looking cute. So guys, are you a returning subscriber? Are you a new subscriber, or you've not subscribed to our channel? Please do subscribe to our channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers right here. I'm going to be bringing this turban tutorial for you guys on Thursday. I hope you guys love this video. If you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share, and also don't forget to like. I love you guys so much. This is Hadidi Makeovers once again. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.